What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and as you guys see, I have already glued on my nail tips, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clip them to the length that I desire. I decided to do a shorter, I would consider this short, like I don't even consider this medium length. If it was like 2 hairs longer, I would say medium length, but these turned out to be short, so I'm doing a short square nail set. And you guys, I'm putting you up on game today, okay? One, I do suggest going ahead and blending your tips into your natural nail if you're going to wear this design. I am just doing a display set for you guys, so I didn't bother blending, but I am going to go ahead with my SXC Cosmetics Extend Gel, which I do have a discount code for SXC Cosmetics. I will go ahead and link it down in the description box below, and it will be on my blog post for this video. It's on my website, on my blog site too, so you can get it at any time. I think it's just Scorpion Goddess, but it's for 15% off. And this Extend Gel is technically for doing like a press nail, so you would use it to cure on a full cover nail tip. It's pretty thick and it self-levels, like, yeah, it self-levels fairly well. It basically forms the shape of the nail, which is why I was able to create my whole nail. I guess it's kind of like, it is a thinner consistency than Builder Gel, and it's definitely thinner than hard gel, but it's more or less like a version of those products. And so I'm just using it and building the body of my nail. Because these nails are short nails, I am able to get away with that, and actually I was able to build them up with this Extend Gel enough to where they had like a mini little apex. And then we're gonna go in with a couple of layers of gel polish. I'm gonna do 2 base layers of one color, or 2 layers of a base color, and then we're gonna do the marble nail design, which I thought that this would be so appropriate. So I guess I just want to tell you guys, like, this is mainly for like the DIY nail girls who want some super cute, simple, easy nails, and they want to invest into these products and try them, and they want like a beginner friendly experience. That's what this is. So here we have our Madam Glam Wanderlust collection. I have 4 of the colors. We have Dreamer, Stone of Hope, Purple Hero, and we also have The Truth. I can never remember the name of that one. So on my left hand, the hand that's already done, I used Stone of Hope, the gray one, as my base color. And Stone of Hope, right? I think that's the name of it, but I used that one. Oh yeah, that's the name of that one. I used that one as my base layer, and then I marbled the other 3 colors. So on this set, I'm actually going to use the Dreamer as my base color, and then I'm going to use the other colors or something like that. I don't know, you guys will see. But the point that I really want to make to you guys, oh no, this is which one is this? The Truth? Oh yeah, I think this is The Truth. Yeah, this is The Truth. It's so cute. But you guys can see how, like, if I would have blended in my nail tip, it would be more flawless. So I did add 2 layers. But sorry guys, I filmed this a few days ago and I've already done multiple voiceovers today, so wish me luck and pray for me. But anyways, because I was doing a gel polish, quote unquote, marble nail design, which is not technically marble, but it kind of is. But because I was doing that kind of nail design, I don't know if you guys have ever tried the method that I'm going to do, but it's basically where you lay out the gel polish, like you'll put like a line of one color, a line of another one, then you'll just run a dotting tool through it and kind of mix it up, and then you just scoop it up onto your brush, and then you'll lay it onto the nail. Well, I thought that this was like the coolest nail hack ever until the first time I tried it, and the nails were like a little bumpy because the gel polish was thick. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know how to explain it, but the point of what I'm saying, and if you know, then I know you can relate, right? But the point of what I'm saying is that with that, then when I did these nails, I knew they didn't need to be perfect. If they were perfect, I was going to do a disservice to myself. I was going to have wasted time. So that's why I was so excited to share this video with you guys and this nail design idea, because it doesn't need to be perfect. If there's anything that I would say that I like really focused on perfecting, it would be the cuticle area of the nail, just trying to make sure that was as beautiful and perfect as possible. But as far as like what you guys are going to see me doing now, you guys are going to see that the polish is gonna, like, it's pretty thick, so it's not gonna be fully flush to the nail. It's not gonna be perfect, and that's okay. And then when you go in with your top coat, you can kind of balance the nail out. But that's what makes this so easy, is that you don't have to worry about perfection, and I love that. And the Extend Gel, it was comfortable to wear. I wore these nails for 4 or 5 days, and they weren't even like supposed to last that long. They were just pop-off nails, but they worked. They were amazing. If you do pop-off nails and you use the nail glue, then they actually stay on a little longer, because it glues it to, like, I don't want to say it, but it kind of glues it to your skin a little bit, and so it doesn't pop off as easily, or just, you know, like to the underside of the nail and the skin, like around that area. But yeah, so that makes it easier to wear these little pop-off nails. But I'm going to let you guys enjoy. It's very self-explanatory. And I want you guys to drop a comment and let me know if you could see yourself doing this, or if you have done it. And I want you to give your testimony of how easy it is. Also, how do you like the nail design that I came up with using these colors? Because I wanted to basically use all of them, but I didn't really know what to do. And one person that always comes to mind when it comes to doing these quote-unquote marble nail designs is Nails by Key, because she dies for this. Like, she literally will bust this design idea out so fast. It doesn't matter if it's a gel polish, if it's polygel, if it's acrylic powder, she will bust out a marble nail so fast. And so I always think of her when I do this, and I was just like, you know what, Samantha, you need to pull a Nails by Key moment, and you need to just go ahead and do a marble nail. It will be cute, and you can use all the colors. It will be easy. And I also wanted to be able to practice this method again. And as you guys can see, so I kind of went in around the edges and kind of like fanned it out a little bit. So it has like a smoky look to it. But I think what I would have done to make it better is just to add like a line of black or a line of white, and also to add maybe like a line of glitter, like gold or maybe even silver, just to give it like a little more depth. But yeah, other than that, I loved it. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll be back in just a minute. final result. So which hand do you guys like more? I like the left ones a lot. That gray is banging. It is beautiful. But the ones on the left I feel were like more contrasting, which I don't know if that was necessarily a good thing or a bad thing. The ones on the left hand look very seamless, but then the ones on the right hand are a little more dramatic, and I don't know, which one do you guys like the best? This wasn't really a this or that video, but I did want to like have a little bit of variety just to see how it would look, and so that's how it looks. But let me know what you guys think, and if you think you can pull off this super easy, simple nail design, or not even nail design, but this method of just applying your tips using the extend gel or some sort of clear builder gel or any color, as long as it's not going to clash with the, you know, gel polish that you choose or the design that you choose. And these nails, I would totally wear them to like an event or something like that. If someone just wanted like some nails that they can pop off in a few days, and I would feel comfortable. Actually, I did wear them for everyday household use for 4 to 5 days, and they were wonderful. So I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in the next one. I love you. Bye.